Guys and girls, I have an unboxing to share with you today. I got my package from RedBubble, and as a few of you might know, I have used some of my old designs and drawings to make a RedBubble shop. I'm going to leave the link in the description box below. And I thought that I might order one of my own designs on a t-shirt just to test the quality of the t-shirts and what I'm offering you. Let's unbox it. Okay, let's change this game with a crafting knife. Just be careful, it is a t-shirt. I know that I don't want to cut into it. So, now let's see what's inside. Bubble stick? Is this a sticker? It is a sticker! I have a message, even in German. We have a little wooden clip. So, what we have now is a sticker, a wooden clip with how you can send it back to policy. That's nice. And then we have the t-shirt itself with my zebra drawing losing its marbles. Oh yeah, smells like vinegar. That's how it's supposed to smell. It's actually a nice print. Really looks like my pencil strokes. Quite impressed. Time will show how good it will do in the washing machine. I think I like this. Let's put it on. Oh no, she's wearing something underneath. Ah, what a disappointment. This is a family-friendly channel, okay. And it's going to stay that way. Alright. Get my glasses back. Because I'm blind without them. So this what I'm wearing now is an M-sized female t-shirt. It's not the premium. The premium is a little bit more expensive. The quality of the cloth is quite nice. What else can I say? At Bubble you win. Price matches the quality of the print and of the t-shirt. I'd say if you want one of these for yourself, or a book with my designs or something similar, go to my shop. The link will be in the description box below. Take a look around, and I will keep updating with new designs. This was all for today. I just wanted to test out my own merch and maybe have a t-shirt with my own drawing on it, because it's neat. It's neat to have something like this. Feel like a proper professional artist. And yeah, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for following this channel and following my art. And I see you next time. Bye!